Originally a Spanish Lima bean range, Beverly Hills is today one of Los Angeles' most well-known districts, known for Rodeo Drive, high-end real estate, and numerous film and television references. Investors came seeking for oil, but instead discovered water, making it an ideal location for a town. Beverly Hills was founded in 1914 and called after Beverly Farms in Massachusetts and the surrounding hills. Beverly Hills may be the most recognized zip code in the United States, thanks to a specific TV program and several appearances on the silver screen. Despite its small size, 5.7 square miles, this little city is a world-class attraction, bringing millions of tourists each year seeking to take a piece of the city's glitz and glam home with them. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Beverly Hills is located in the western region of Los Angeles County, and it's surrounded by the cities of Los Angeles, West Hollywood, Santa Monica, and Culver City. It is supposed to create a platinum triangle with neighboring communities Bel Air and Holmby Hills, as all three are among Los Angeles' richest. Beverly Hills is home to many A-list celebrities, public figures, executives, and well-to-do families, and individuals who are able to afford homes in this astronomically priced area. Visitors from all over the world go to Beverly Hills searching for celebrities and to shop at its luxury stores, boutiques, and restaurants. Living up to its illustrious reputation, you'll find an exceptional selection of 5-star hotels in Beverly Hills. The Beverly Hills Hotel and Bungalows, the Beverly Hilton, the Beverly Wilshire, L'Ermitage Beverly Hills, Montage Beverly Hills, the Peninsula Beverly Hills, and Thompson Beverly Hills are just a few of the famous hotels. The sky's the limit at these opulent residences, but as with most places in this city, they will cost guests a pretty penny. The city major attraction is of course Rodeo Drive. It's the realm of international fashion and jewelry houses and local design boutiques. Customers can shop at Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Burberry, Valentino, Armani, Dior and Cartier, as well as newcomers like Golden Goose, Amiri and many others. At 2 Rodeo Drive, a quaint cobblestone walkway leads up to Tiffany & Company, Versace, Jimmy Choo and Lanvin. But people watching, closely followed by exotic car watching, is undoubtedly Rodeo Drive's most popular activity. At every streetlight, flashy, noisy sports cars crank their engines, many with price tags of $1 million or more. Beverly Hills' moniker of the Garden City is well earned. It is a city laden with parks, fountains, and walking paths. The most famous among them is Beverly Gardens Park, which extends for nearly 2 miles of Santa Monica Boulevard. Lined with 100-year-old cypress and ficus trees, sculpture, it features the much photographed Lily Pond and iconic Beverly Hills sign.